Hello students, let us continue the problems of indefinite integration by parts topic. Look at this question. Here we have integral x sin square x dx. Integral x for sin square x. Already I told you, whenever we get 1 plus cos 2x, that is 2 cos square x. Whenever we get 1 minus cos 2x, that is 2 sin square x. You must remember those concepts. So, sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x upon 2, right, dx. So, if you look at that question, now 1 by 2 I am keeping out, integral x minus x cos 2x dx, right? So 1 by 2 times integral x dx minus integral x cos 2x dx. This we can write directly, no problem. X means x square by 2 minus, here we have to apply by parts. For applying by parts, we must take ILATE, I-L-A-T. I means inverse, logarithmic, algebra, trigonometric, exponential. So here algebra, trigonometry. So we have algebra first. So I will apply f of x equal to x, f dash x equal to 1. G of x equal to cos 2x, integral g of x dx equal to cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2, right? So we can write first function into integration of second function sin 2x by 2 minus integral derivative 1. So we will get sin 2x by 2 whole dx, right? So if you take 1 by 2 of x square by 2 minus x sin 2x by 2 minus sin 2x integration or minus cos 2x by 2. So this becomes cos 2x upon, already 2 is there, so 4 will come, plus c. So simplify this, x square by 4 minus x sin 2x by 4 minus cos 2x upon 4 2s are 8, plus c. That is the final answer. Right. So therefore, integral x sin square x dx equal to x square by 4 minus x sin 2x by 4 minus cos 2x upon 8 plus, that is the final answer. Hope it is clear. Now, similar way we can solve it for x cos square x also. Second problem, x cos square x. Here we can write cos square x. Instead of cos square x, we can write here plus. That's all. Very simple. So if you change that, you can get it easily. So here you will get plus. Here we will get plus. Here we will get plus. This is minus as usual. First function into integration of second function minus integral of derivative of first function, again integration of second function, whole dx. So here plus, here so as usual. Okay, so we will get here plus, 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 plus. Here cos square x, right? All terms are positive, right? Hope it is clear. Thank you.